Yo, what's up? This your girl T.Cooks. I'm just stopping by to give thanks to all my fans that been watching me on YouTube /T.Cooks. Thank y'all so much. Keep watching. Your girl is about to post more and more videos. Ain't no stopping over here, baby. But first, I just want to say I thank the Lord. Because he the one gave me this gift. And ain't no doors closing on him over here. But anyways, I'm stopping by to let y'all guys know that I'm finna sing for y'all. I want to sing Yolanda Adams, Open Up Your Heart. You know, this is my first time ever singing, so, I hope y'all guys like, I gotta give praise to my Lord above. Because without him, it wouldn't be nothing. It wouldn't be nothing. But I hope y'all like this video. It's my first time singing now. I'm a little nervous, so I hope y'all like it. God bless to everyone that watched this. Please continue to watch me on YouTube /T.Cooks, aka T.Cooks. God bless everyone out there, and thanks to everyone that been watching me. God bless once again. Have a safe day. Hope you guys like the video. First time singing. Hope you guys like the video. Here we go. Oh, talk to me. Talk to me. Alone in the room, it's just me and you. I feel so lost, 'cause I don't know what to do. Now what if I choose the wrong thing to do? I'm so afraid of disappointing you, so I need to talk to you and ask you for your guidance, especially today when my life feels so cloudy. Guide me until I'm for sure I open up my heart. Oh yes. My hopes and dreams are fading fast, and I'm over that, and I'm gonna think my strength's gonna last. So I'm crying out to you, Lord. I know you're only one who is able to pull me through. So I know I need to talk to you and ask you for your guidance, especially today when my world seems so cloudy. Lord, guide me until I'm true. I open up my heart. Oh yeah, yes I do. So show me how to do things your way. Don't let me make the same mistakes over and over again, and your will be done, and I'll be the one to make sure that it's counting out. I don't want any judges. Why? and ask you for your guidance, especially today, when my world seems just a little bit cloudy. Lord, you guide me through. Yes, that's why I open up. I open up my heart, my heart, my heart, my heart.